So this is our attempt to document a car build. I don't know, I think we're gonna start making YouTube videos. So this is the first one of this Delsol I picked up cheap a couple months ago actually. So we've just kind of been piecing together video and trying to get around to find time to making and editing. And I've never done this before, so I have no idea what I'm doing. That's kind of going to be the trend. I've done a ton of this stuff, but as far as videos and recording this stuff, and even some of the mechanical stuff, let's just make it up as you go. So anyways, let's introduce the Delsol. So this is our 94 Civic Delsol SI. There was an S model and then there was a VTEC with the B16 in it. This one just had the single cam VTEC Auto originally. It's been converted to a B20 engine out of the CRV before they blew it up. And it has a GSR transmission. And basically this car was heading straight for the scrapyard. It had been for sale for quite a while. Nobody was buying it. It wasn't looking good, so I decided just to grab it and try to revive it. And it's a complete basket case. Okay, and here's the whole reason why it was cheap. Really cheap. Rodney came out for a visit. Somebody did something nasty to this thing. Bright side, only has one little tiny rust spot here. So overall it's good. A dent in the door, gotta work that out. The interior was just completely disassembled. All the panels were just everywhere. And then it's got a broken windshield, which we found out is kind of hard to source. And the bumper needed a full repaint, and it's actually a lot worse than this. You'll see that later. Paint overall is just bad. Scratches, dents, lots to work on here. Mostly the clear coat on the roof, and the driver's door is just completely toast. But the car came with boatloads of spare parts and wiring. We soon found out why, but we'll get more to that later. These are the seats that came with the Delsol. Absolutely foul, just caked on body soil. And no, I'm not going to stick my tongue on any of this. Ugh, nasty. And these are the carpets. I'll just give you an idea. Disgusting. Carpets and seat came out pretty clean actually. Not perfect, but much better. Here in the summer, looks the worst. Oops. Alright. This is not going to go well, but it'll be better than what it looks like right now. What is it here to do?
Polish through the haze and then wipe off.
We're just messing around here. We know it needs a full detail.
Yeah, and then let dry, and then
That's a haze. I think long term this stuff will totally destroy your paint long term.
we'll see.
Because all you're doing is just buffing the
The gross.
the sand or the dirt right into it. I mean, I think you're supposed to wash this first, but
Probably.
I think that's dry. Yeah, it looks dry.
All right. Buffy. Make like a vampire in Buffy.
Clean spot. See, it fills all those new scratches with wax. I think it might be worse. I do not endorse. But I mean, I cleaned a dirty spot.
Yeah.
I could have just done that with a wet rag. Let's see. The trash man sold us.
Mm-hmm. So this is like the.
Oh, of course, you're not supposed to do this in direct sunlight either. This is always a really bad idea.
Yeah.
Oh wow, this is way too much of it. This is. I'm gonna do the whole quarter. It's gonna smear it around. In the sun, direct sun. This is gonna cause problems.
It's okay. It's not like it's a black car.
What? Oh, you're right. It's midnight. Midnight. Let's do the taillight too. Okay, it says wait for it to dry. This is probably about 5 seconds ago.
Yeah.
So wait for it to actually dry. It's amazing. We can actually see the metallic in it now. It just leaves the card greasy.
It's like the old like automatic transmission fluid trick.
I don't know that one.
You basically just put shiny fluid on a car, just wipe it over, or wipe oil onto it.
Then take all your Craigslist pictures.
Yeah. It's much better.
Better, or it's something that isn't greasy.
I'm gonna turn that inside out.
Same thing. Before of the trunk lid. Okay, here's the trunk lid after cleaning. I wish I could see these under scratches that are underneath. Because that's crazy. I don't know, the paint's all cracked. Anyway, we'll put the crap on it, see what happens. No, not a total train wreck. Sorry, shadow. Compared to the rest of the car. It's not terrible. I wonder if we can get these scratches there. It's all hazy though. Good grief. Alright, well that was enough of us messing around with some gas station wireless car wash garbage. That's episode 1. Hopefully we do episode 2. Hopefully this becomes a thing. Yeah, that's about it. I don't know when I'll post this, if ever. I probably will.